My name's Alan Hart. Today I've been to Tool Fair in Harrogate and I bought myself a few tools and a few bits. So I bought myself a new Fluke pen and some Fluke testers, a few Wagos and stuff like that. But I've got myself a new measure. So for when we're doing surveys on jobs and we're going to size rooms up for radiator sizes, it's nice to have a laser measure. So I've had a laser measure for quite a few years, and the one that I had, the batteries leaked in it, so I've just got a new one. So this one was £87 and it's a D110. So we'll take a look at that now. And there's an app with this, so you can do a sketch on your iPhone and you can add the measurements from this directly into the sketch. So what I'll do as well is I'll download the app and then we can have a look at that and we can see how easy it is and what we think to it really. So yeah, let's have a look at it now. So it's nice and small, got a little clip on there, so if you wanted to clip it on you could. If you don't want that clip on it, you can take that clip out, just slides out like that, nice and easy. You've just got your batteries in the back of there. And then on there you've got some different buttons up front, so you've got 4 different buttons there. So if we switch it on, and then if we just wanted to measure the distance to the wall there, we can just click on there. So then that'll tell us that we're 1.28 metres away from that wall. And then there's some other functions on here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to load the app up and then we'll transfer this over onto the app. So if you hold the Bluetooth button there, you can see Bluetooth off, and if you hold it again, Bluetooth on. So if we have a look on here now, if I click on distance to there, and we get 3.282, and then if I have a look on here, it's gone into there. So I've just got a blank page. So if I put a sketch on here, and then that measurement that's down there, look, put just hold on that, and then I can just pull that up to there, and then that'll add the measurement directly into there, which is quite a good thing to do. So we've got another feature on this. If we want to see the square meters of the room, we click on there, it brings up 2, so now we've got 2 different readings there. So if I click on distance with this one to that wall there, we've got 1.129, and then if I go that way to that wall, it then gives us, so that reading was 3.133, and then it gives us the square meters. So you can see there 3.539 square meters. So that'd be a really good feature, that. So that's his Disto D110. I think it's really good. It's nice and small, and it just does what you want it to do. And I think it's fairly well priced for what it does. So there you go. Thanks for watching.